Darden uses the case method because it's much more memorable and much more engaging. If you think when you're in a class, you really want to be part of the discussion, not just listen passively to what the teacher is telling you. And when you try to solve a problem, you really use much more energy and trying to be creative, finding solution, and whatever is the solution is much more sticky in your mind. The lesson of the class is much more memorable in this sense.
At Darden, you have people from all over the world. So every time one of my classmates poses a question or the professor poses a question, you hear of opinions from people who are from different parts of the world.
I think my favorite part of the Darden classroom experience is the energy within the classroom itself. There's a certain energy that comes from classmates contributing about their past work experience, even from asking a clarifying question that can really elevate the class discussion. That really gets me excited to go each day.
Fascinating!